snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby that going crazy. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby that going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can come leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari, like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna be what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Though you being charged, he'll do it like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in his BEEZY. President's attention, slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, they gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a street, man, I'm far from the pavement. A million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 on them baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can come leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to hate. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can come leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to hate.
Everybody know my name, Millie Floors Flames, plus I got that fireman, fuckers call me Lil Wayne. And I got a little gang, always full of niggas swag, tryna fucking suck me just so they can get they niggas mad. See me, I just sit and laugh, you the one that writes that, you eating her, treating her, see I'm the one that pipe that. Soon as I'm finished with it, you can have a right back. If I get a piece of pie, my man got to slice that. Break down, take down, shorty keep your mouth shut. This is what we do, 1 or 2, you ain't about that, I don't give a fuck, I leave you stuck like a mousetrap. Middle of the city, tell your brother to get with me, I be stopping with a 50 caliber, they holler, then I can jump out his dick and we be riding with them solid. Ain't nobody seeing me, the whole hood agree with me, I'm wiping niggas out, they like what I'm about. Every time I'm killing it, the whole hood feeling it, I got to learn more. Right now I'm on the south, dealing with them killing niggas, shiesty and gorilla niggas, fucking them, we out. He talking what he bout, nigga making threats, it's a bet I send my bloodhounds walking at his house. Them summer nights can even turn cold, in the streets of Philly where niggas don't even get to turn old. My heart pumping to it turn gold.
Chat, what is good? Happy Monday, everybody. How we doing? How we doing? Get some W's in the chat, Aruski. Let's go see if we're up to date today. Last week we were lagging a little bit. We are. We were here, bro. We here. Some W's in the chat. What up, Salva? This up like this. Let's go. V Legacy, NLT Jocko, Leo Piamio, 2 Blessed Backwards. What's good? Got that boy Reginald in the building. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for being back for another week. Let's have a great week. I'm looking to freaking kill it. If you have been thinking the markets have been a little slow the last couple weeks, I think they have too. But it's about being patient. You guys hear me? Reconnection successful. Now, yeah, was it stopping for a second? I said that. Okay, there we go. It said it wasn't connected. That was weird. All right, yeah, so I'm gonna break down the charts for you guys. So GJ been bullish as fuck. We caught these gorgeous buys at the end of last week. This is a good way that I ended my week. Not only did I call that, but I ended up also calling good bull buys as well. And we can go over both of them, but I kind of want to go over, actually, let's go over both those first. Actually, no, here, let's go over actually the actual buys first. So if we kind of go up to like the 4-hour time frame on GJ, we're kind of coming up to this daily and 4-hour supply. In my opinion, this is where I want to see a reaction from. We're kind of starting to react and go short from here. We've already taken out highs, you know what I'm saying? So this is when like I get a lot of questions, which is completely fair, when they're like, oh, Luca, like it looks super bullish, but it's also breaking structure and kind of like losing momentum. And I go, all right, well, you know, just because it's taking out highs doesn't mean it needs to sell yet. It could just be, you know, this is the direction. So like that's the impulse. And then we're waiting for the retracement within that to then continue higher. So going down to like the 1 hour time frame, I kind of see price just moving up. As you can see, higher highs and higher lows. Nothing really breaking market structure. I would say at this point, this is my impulse leg right here. So we can kind of just draw this up. Discounts obviously down in here. As we go to like a lower time frame, I wouldn't really consider this that valid of a demand. I would want to see price kind of come down more to this area to buy more. So what that means is that low key, like I want it to sell back down into equilibrium. I don't do this too often, but it's been working out kind of lately in the past, where, you know, when we get a sharp move in a direction like this, and we get some sort of impulse like this, people will, a lot of people in my mentorship, like George, Sabash, if you guys are on here, retracement into here, and look at that. This has been playing out crazy. Look at that. Because like you can consider that like against the trend, because it technically is, but like also identifying when price is too like overbought or oversold in a direction, and then waiting for retracement into like a fib level of that overall like little pullback, and then playing the continuation of like kind of the pullback into equilibrium. So I see that on GJ. Oh, everyone in the chat right now, everyone in the chat, spam what your favorite pair is. Everyone spam what your favorite pair to trade is. I'll be damned if I pass this shit. GJ, gold. GBP, NZD, gold. Ben UJ, but you got me hooked on GJ. Hey, she addicted once you get a hold of her, right, Reginald? She's like that toxic girlfriend, you know, you don't want to really touch, but you're like, damn, you're too hot, I gotta talk to you a little bit, you know? That's GJ. Toxic low, how? No, I'm kidding. 30 of you guys here, only 8 likes. I'd appreciate it if everyone shot a like over. It would mean the world. And everyone in the chat, let me know how your guys is let me know how your guys' weekend was. Let's go over to gold as well, guys. So on gold, I was kind of looking at it a little bit earlier, but 4-hour time frame, gold obviously has been moving up, breaking all-time highs this last week. Kind of zoom in, we've had this retracement to come back in. On a lower time frame, you'll see we're kind of reacting off this 1-hour supply in here. And this is when, like, I wouldn't say, I don't know, so we got this beautiful buys at the end of last week, but you can see here that now that we've gotten this push back down and we're come back into supply, I need to see on like a lower time frame some sort of change of character liquidation or something, where like, I don't know, like I don't really consider this like, oh look, it's broken structure here, so I want to take this supply. Like that's not really usually how I want to do this, especially if it's counter trend. I would need it to be more like, I want to come and like take out the highs, probably break again, you know what I'm saying, down in here, because it's basically like established kind of equal lows here, and at that point can fib like this up, you know what I'm saying, and then wait for the retracement into here to continue lower. Does that make sense, chat? Everyone put a W in the chat if that makes sense. Oh yeah. So let's go over both the positions I took the end last week, which was pretty amazing. First one was, well, I mean, first one was actually GJ, and we'll go over gold after. But if you guys were on the live stream, this is how I ended the week last week with you guys on stream, was understanding the impulse in here. We had this nice basically pullback, like slingshot up, where I considered this the impulse. Price was just pulling back into basically equilibrium. Not only in the equilibrium, you can see here, this is where Asia lows was sitting, and then price on the 15, 5 minute, and like 1 minute honestly printed good setups as well. But basically, where did it go? Over here. You see it came here, took out the low, and I tried to come back up here, and then like the whole difference between understanding that this is going to be like a retest to continue or a retest to go higher is literally the W, which was what I always talk about. We sold through, came back here where some people think it's a retest to go lower, but all you wait for is the rejection and then go up. And if we break back up above, that's like that W formation right here to anticipate the impulse. So all I did was wait for that like W to form. Once that other low formed, waited for the impulse up, broke structure, got in here, and the rest was history. Boom. Gorgeous. That was GJ. Called that before stream and like kind of at the beginning when I had kind of came on. Hop over to gold. I then fed a gold setup to end the week. What do you call a sweet trade of this volume? Love it. I love that. Gold was kind of similar, guys, where you could see here, this was the impulse on gold. So this was after I called the GJ 8, and I was like, you know what, I gotta call banger later for gold to end the week. So you can see here's the impulse, fib it up. You can see here price kind of was rejecting, forming a W within equilibrium. Also is creating kind of this trend line, downtrend line, and basically just when it broke, created this indecision candle where usually I want to wait for like a little bit of a retest. Retest didn't happen, where I just created the indecision candle and then broke the highs for impulse up just to continue the direction. Simple, 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 simple. Ooh, look at gold going super bullish right here. So gold going super bullish into a supply area. What I want someone to kind of tell me, what do I usually say about that? Not true, bitches. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, like whenever I see like little like volume spikes like this, like one of the things that I always think of though is that like, dang, like now we're getting buyers in here, which that means we just need to get more in sellers. I mean not necessarily, but what I mean is that like whenever I see volume like this, I think of like early buyers getting in, you know, and that needs to come and take them out for them to be early buyers. Then usually what happens is then like early sellers get in to buy higher, where like what I was playing off of now was like kind of the opposite, where I'm looking for shorts after this liquidation. Now you have to kind of wait. We'll see. Chat also, I don't know if anyone out there, if any of you guys are rocking with a live account or a prop firm or whatever, But if you're not trading with a live account, for a limited time, I do have kind of a plug to get you a funded account through this firm, prop firm, all the way up to $1 million, which is kind of crazy. If you guys want to check it out and check out the payouts, I have actually a couple friends who are actually like bigger traders like me who started using that. And usually when I see that is when, you know, because usually when I see other names, I'm like, oh, you know, you never know about those certificates. So once I saw them starting to get payouts, I'm starting to trust it. So I'm going to get an account because they do offer up to $1 million, and I'm going to probably do like a 100K or a 200K, see if they pay out, and then go for the $1 million. You know what I'm saying? They paid out all my friends, so there should be no problem, but I'm just going to do the 200K and then scale up to $1 million. So if any of you guys are interested, you guys can DM me on Instagram or on Telegram or whatever and let me know. But I definitely feel like, I don't know, I wouldn't miss out on the opportunity because I don't know if any of you guys remember like Cortana and stuff, but that was kind of like a fight. Like if you were part of that little wave for a little bit, you know, if you got kind of caught at the end when they started kind of, when volume picks up is when usually shit like that hits the fan. But bro, I remember when Cortana was fire because they were doing the same type of thing where I had the plug to get live accounts through there, and bro, I was just payouts, 100K. It's kind of crazy. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this. And if any of you guys are interested, you guys can let me know. Cortana was crazy. Yeah, like if you were early with it, it was fire. Easy to get funding. You could run it up. I forgot what the minimum trading days was, but I honestly enjoyed it. You know what I'm saying? Because it's kind of fun. Like obviously, I think that like my whole thing is this: you should be using firms like that to then get capital, get big payouts, to then look to then fund your own bigger capital. Like that's what I kind of did. Not with just those, but like throughout my whole prop firm journey, is that you're trying to get capital to then get bigger payouts to then be able to have and fund your own larger account. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm saying. So going and being able to just get a funded account like this, follow the rules, get a larger payout, 10K, whatever it is, be able to have 10K. Because I don't know if you guys know this, but the statistics for having a live account, like the winning statistics, I don't know how to exactly put it, but pick up a lot for 10K counts and above. I personally think that like 5K up to 8K is fine, but statistically what I've always seen on so many articles and that I've just heard over time is that 10K is like that. Like when you have that statistic count, it's like fire. But make sure and then you guys follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys hit up the boy. And you guys can DM me about the funded accounts and stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, let me know. Like I said, I'm probably gonna go for like the 200K and then go for the $1 million. And when I like to, it's on like Trade Locker. I've been wanting the time to kind of try Trade Locker. Trade Locker's fire. Trade Locker's the future, I think, for platforms. It's crazy that I've only been open for like a year. Ooh. Baby shark, go do. I know someone already asked you a million times in the previous last week. Yeah, bro. No problemo. Fib settings. Right here. Take a screenshot. Trade Locker is amazing, not gonna lie. Yeah, and what's awesome is that like, so I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm actually friends with the people who started Trade Locker, and I love talking about Trade Locker to them because they're so innovative, and any type of like issues you have or suggestions you have, they like love the kind of criticism or the feedback because then they usually go and improve it. Everyone knows in the US like what happened with the whole MetaTrader thing and how it stopped soliciting US clients, all this type of stuff. And this is such a good alternative for learning that, you know what I'm saying? It's such a good like alternative. Trade locker is great. I like it. Fire, bro. Yeah, like I love to hear that. You know, being able to see your risk, and yeah, there's just so many cool little things. I see that they're implementing a studio to make EAs without coding. Oh, where you can like see if you're like, you can input your own strategy and see if it works type shit. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, look at NASDAQ. Yes, that's crazy, bro. I mean, they're probably like, the reason they're probably doing it is they probably understand like, huh, if someone actually does come up with a good strategy, we'll keep like a percentage of it type shit. I could see NASDAQ longs, guys. I don't know if you guys see this, but not only are we in a fib kind of impulse, looking at kind of sweeping the lows with just exposed highs above. Kind of like that. Got an email about it? You guys hear me? That's so weird. It pops up and says, basically how this stream works is I go onto YouTube, I input the stream. Another lag spike. Yes, that's what I'm saying. So like what happened, it tells me what happens. But I use OBS, but then I also have to connect OBS to the actual stream on the web. And it keeps losing connection between OBS and the web right here. It's super weird. It's never happened before. I've had lag issues from other, you know, whatever, but I've never had that say that. Where it's like, oh. But it's only for 10 seconds. So if I lag, guys, just know that it literally counts down from 10 and then just turns back on. That's so weird. Why is there always like new shit fucking going on? Oh, look at that Jared position from the other night. So fire. Let's take a Jared for tonight, guys. We still got another 30 minutes until London, but I mean, we swept already. I'm gonna fib up this bearish leg. Keep that. GJ, really? Okay. See how it is. GU. Let's go check out the DXY, guys. I want everyone right now in the chat. If the DXY is going down, what does that mean? What do I usually use that for? Pop quiz. Pop quiz, pop quiz. Reverse correlation confluence. Yes. Leo PMEO is correct. So for guys, for the DXY, if you guys know how to read it, the DXY is the dollar index. People call it the Dixie. Basically, you can use it as like a confluence to whatever pair you're using, because obviously the US dollar has a big strength, especially with pairs that have it, you know, in it. So like USD CAD, GU, EU, all those type of things. So basically, like how I can use this is that right now, if the DXY is sinking and it's absolutely plummeting, I can hop over to GU and EU and they're going to be going up. You know what I'm saying? So then we can look for correlating kind of, I would say, levels that you're like, huh, this is like a good area that EU and GU might react and turn around, as well as, oh, this is a good level that the DXY might also react and turn around. So for me, we're super bearish and we're not even going into London. So I think that like, oh wow, that's crazy. 4 hours crazy bearish. Like I told you guys, you know, if that's super bearish, that means EU and GU, we can be looking for buys tonight. It's also on GJ as well, waiting for it to be back in a discount. So for GU and those type of things, I would just be waiting for a retracement down. So this would be a good position because if you look at it, we're so bearish. So if we were to kind of react and go up from here, we can get a good entry because we basically would fib up one of these legs in here. I mean, even this one, honestly. And if you look at it down in discount, we have that sitting right there. I'm in GU buys. Yeah, fire. Break even now, fire. So yeah, I think we're gonna get a retracement. Hopefully like that to go higher. DJ will see. Gold took out that high. We're now into the supply we're talking about right here. 5-minute supply within the supply. It's nice. Took out equal highs, tapped in. You know, if you guys were confident you could take the shorts from here, can't hold you. But I'm waiting a little bit more towards session to see. Oh, what's good, Justin? How you guys doing? I had a weed you are. I like this supply because if you look at USD CAD, you can see here we have Asia lows right here. If you guys can't see, right? Exposed. Oh wait, but it looks like we just took it out. Never mind. Let's see. Oh no, we didn't. So a little bit more of a retracement to take out the lows. Tap into here to go long, and if USD CAD goes long, that usually means DXY will go long. So we're just looking for somewhere the DXY might go long. There is a supply right here. I mean, a demand. So we'll wait and see. We can get some good entries. If it does what I think it's gonna do, we can get some good entries. How you guys doing though, chat? You guys ready? You guys ready for a fire week or what? There goes gold. If any of you guys do get into gold sales, at least let me know. Cause I do like it. Supply, retracement, equal highs to take out, tap in, go down. You know what I'm saying? Definitely ready, yes sir. GA looks pretty good too as well. Can't even lie. I already hit that supply. Birthday is Wednesday too. Let's go, bro. We'll have to celebrate here on stream if you're here. We'll get crazy. Maybe I'll get some strippers or some bad bitches on stream for you. I'm kidding. I'm going to hell. Just got 10 through this snow yesterday. Went in here early. Crazy. Said what a bad bitch. Luca wild now. Hey yo, chill, Jonathan. Don't tell. Don't be telling. DXY still going down. We'll wait for this reaction in here, guys. I'll actually just set my alert. Fuck it. Set an alert right there at that supply, so at least it'll alert me. Oh, okay. Nas buys, I'm telling you. If DXY plummets from there, a little 20 point play. Wait for the break above, closer above the trend line, and see. Guys, also I want to warn you guys that there's only 4 more spots for the mentorship. It starts on Sunday. So for any of you guys who keep sleeping on the opportunity, this is the last one I'm doing till 2025. So bro, you definitely want to dial in and get your strategy and everything dialed down before 2025, so that like once the markets pick back up in January, you're ready to go. I've heard people say like, oh, I'll do it next year when I'm da, 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 da. It's like, bro, there's a reason I'm doing it from October till November, so that you guys can study, learn everything, become profitable. And all of December you have all the videos, the courses, lifetime access to my signals, all this type of stuff. So then once January hits, it's just 2025 should be, there's no reason, everyone in this chat in 2025 should be freaking killing it. Truthfully, if you guys keep coming to the live streams and you guys are applying what I'm teaching, or if you guys do the mentorship, like whatever you do, it's just about trying. Like you guys stepping out of your comfort zone and actually trying. That's all I gotta say. Everyone in this chat should be going absolutely bonkers. Swear to God. Yep. Everyone click that link. Click that link Salva sent, bro. I'm telling y'all, y'all keep sleeping on the signals and everything else as well. But here you go. Everyone click this link. You guys can see here, you can join the gold FX room or the indices room, indices plus gold room, whatever you are keen to, but definitely recommend it. Definitely recommend it. You don't trade during December? No, I still do, and I still look at setups, but the markets just get slow. It's kind of inevitable. Each year, December just gets slower. Reason being, a lot of the big money makers and big, you know, whatever you want to call them, they're chill until the new year. They're with their families for Christmas and for the new year, and who knows, birthdays, whatever it is, and then come January, back to it. Yeah, feel me. DXY tapping into demand as well. I got the alert. USD CAD also, bro, I'm telling you. I have to wait and see. Time is 11:40 hourly. I think this next hourly is for sure going bullish on USD CAD. Doesn't USD CAD just look good, guys? Impulse, pullback. You guys can see here too, like all the exposed highs on the way down. I guess this kind of liquidated to sell down into here. It just swept. What swept? You see CAD swept here, but it didn't really sweep. You can see here on the left, we do have Asia lows and a demand sitting right here. So bro, I saw the funniest thing today, chat. You guys can see my screen, right? Bro, I saw the funniest video of this guy, and he sounded cooked. He sounded high as fuck, but he was like, bro, I just realized if you click this, all these circles are levels to get in. And he kind of just like went like this, and it looked like it because it was like a bullish market. So if you do click on it, you go like, he goes, all these are levels you can get in. And like, if you know that, like, you know that obviously isn't true, because if it's bearish and you click on it, you know, you would lose all the time. So funny. Oh, that shit was hilarious. Could you imagine that? People be making shit up all the time, like clicking on it, like. Bro, I was on a call with a potential guy for the mentorship today, and he was talking about how, you know, he's starting to get more into like trading and all this type of stuff, and like how long it took him to even figure out how to open a live account and stuff. And like, it took me back, and I remember, like, you guys know how hard it is to like on your own figure out like to open a brokerage account and then understand that you have to like buy crypto and then sell that crypto, and then send that crypto to a broker and then put that money in. Like, if I don't know, like, that shit is rocket science. If you don't have someone to show you or something, oh my god. Like, think about it. Crazy. I remember. What the fuck? Could imagine if I just kept all the crypto I was sending to my broker back in that day. All that Bitcoin would be worth way more than just all the blown accounts. I'm kidding. No, but guys, I mean, I blew accounts also, guys, when I first was starting out. Blown accounts. Then about a year in, I started trading with Live Capital, and I was like doing pretty good, but I was like flipping it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would load up like a 2K account and kind of like lose it. Then I would load up like a 2K account again and then flip it to 4K, 6K. You know what I'm saying? But I realized quick that that wasn't sustainable. And that's when I came across prop firms, and prop firms changed everything for me. That's when I first started making some good money and shit. Being consistent, taught me risk management, only risking like a certain percent of the account. All these things that you don't really learn at first when you're just learning to just like freaking scale live accounts. Y'all feel me? The easy way, yeah. Yeah, the easy way. They'll just make up any chart. They're like, oh, this will just gonna take a long every time this happens. So funny. So funny. Damn, we're getting that freaking move. What the hell? Where's Lewis? Lewis, you here? You trading today? USD CAD, what disqualifies this previous sweep of the high? It was sweep of the Asia liquidity event. I don't get what you mean. Yeah, peep DJ. For USD CAD, like, this is where the Asia lows are sitting, these lows. So I want these equal lows to get taken out, tap in to go. You know what I'm saying? Bro said, yeah, Pip GA. Yeah. Pretty clean. Create a double bottom on this freaking supply too. Alright, demand. Why do I keep saying supply? If y'all can just learn this and what this means, your trading will be changed forever. If you know, you know. Y'all see this? Y'all see this shit? You guys should literally just screenshot this. Screenshot this and just backtest it. I just threw on some vintage chrome, feel like they made that shit for me. I'm the biggest ripper. Bro, can someone go check like USD CAD, maybe FXCM, and see if it took out the Asia lows? Bitch, hold on, Oanda. That was my plan. I'm okay, GA, like what the fuck? GA and USD CAD both just moving. Smoothing. We got 10 minutes also, we can check out TRADERTV. What do you do? Do you what broker do you use for UK 100? I mean on TradingView. You know? Oh really? Wait. Why doesn't it pop up? UK 100? Huh? FTSE? And then spread X. Weird. We got Jer. Set an alert at the recent low on. Actually, let's do this first. First, y'all gotta understand this as well. No structure's been broken though, but now I'm definitely going to set an alert just at the equilibrium. Probably just like right in here. One three stage look weird. Damn, wait, so it did take out the lows on FXCM, Reginald, or no? I could look it up. Yes, it did. No way. Are you kidding me? Wait, let's go check it out. USD. The CAD. FXCM. All right. Nah. I would have been pissed. I've been like, what? Also similar. What's Bitcoin been up to? Just flying. Oh, that's fire. How about 70 thou wow? Crazy. We're on the pump too. Look at this pullback, liquidation, reversal. Hell yeah. Love to see it. Alright guys, we got 8 minutes. We got 8 minutes till we just full leverage our accounts. No, I'm kidding. Make sure you hit that like button though, guys. 50 people here, only 18 likes. I appreciate it if you guys hit that like button. Helps us shoot it out to the YouTube. You feel me? Let's wait and see. Is that marked New York open low? Yeah. That's what I'm playing off of though, is preview. Like Asia lows did get swept, but Asia lows also got swept on Owanda as well. Like they look the same. I thought that like sometimes like you see how this one didn't get swept, you'll go over to the other broker and it'll sweep like for like a second. You know what I'm saying? It'll just be a little different or something. Soup. Is the merch hoodies dropping before Christmas? Bro, I could drop them low-key whenever. I just wanted to see the quality first, but we can get it. Damn, why my phone tripping? Alright, 4 minutes, chat. I'll give an NLT hoodie to my girlfriend on his birthday. That's exactly what she wants. Who wouldn't want an NLT hoodie? What do you mean, bro? Alright, guys, TRADERTV, let's see what's popping. I'll mark up the hourly low and high. I think whichever one we get a break out of. This is like the thing that's fun to watch it open. I wouldn't see that. I wouldn't say that like any of the other setups have like a really, really good one for that.
Family, I'm not dissing Joel Embiid. I'm trying to call attention to the National Basketball Association. Give that motherfucker a ring. I don't care what team you're on. Give it to him. You deserve that shit.
Yeah, that's mad funny. Just had an idea for the LL3 hoodie. Golden letters of LL3 with a white out face. Just your beard and clean. Hey, that could be kind of sick. Would you guys wear that though? You guys want my face on it? Wait, golden letters LL3 with a white out. That could be fire, bro. Y'all would dig that, bro. I'm with it. I'm with it for sure. Alright, guys, 1 minute to 11. Let's turn up. All right, open. London is open, motherfuckers. Trading between support and resistance should take entries or wait for accumulation of orders, let market hunt them, and then what? What's your take on that? Brother, that's exactly how I trade. What you just said is literally like exactly how I trade. Is I wait for price to accumulate. Once I see price manipulate and gain liquidity, I look for a distribution in other directions. That's why you see I have like levels marked up, is because I want to wait for some sort of level to get like liquidated. You know what I'm saying? We'll have to wait and see. But I agree with what you said. That's what you're asking. Damn, USD CAD, really? How many pips is that? Oh, 10 pips, but still. On GJ, it's like, what the fuck? Not GJ, but on that, it's like, what? I thought we were gonna get a deeper pullback up into here to sell, but it's like sellers are gaining control off the 200. Gotta wait for some sort of break of structure or something. What's your gold bias? I was looking for shorts down into equilibrium, but I still think we're bullish, so it's hard. I would look for the shorts down, but that's just, you know, gotta be a little experience. All right, Chad, these are some solid solid JAR cells for sure for anyone who's interested. Wait for the closure. You have about 3 minutes. See if you can get a closure below. You can get a closure below the MA, all that type of stuff. So just give it a second. Damn, I got a reaction. That's why you wait for hunts. Market accumulating, breaking levels. That's why you see I got these highs and lows. Kind of wild. What a fake out. Yeah, pretty crazy. I never won a giveaway before, man. Salva said it exactly what I was gonna say, bro. Yet. You haven't won a giveaway yet. I only trade gold is good to stick to one pair. Exactly. I agree. Sometimes you want to just go full tilt and full margin though, so you know that happens. Ooh, GU. EU. DXY is USD CAD. GU longs. GA longs, or are you not taking them? I was waiting for, oh, I guess we are in equilibrium. I think it's fire. I think GA looks like a fire buy. I think it looks like a fire buy. Truthfully. GA and GU both look like they're about to go long. There's GU. Fire. G looks fire. All MAs are squeezing. Tapped into whatever. Look at Jared 30 with the fake outs. We'll see. Why don't you come to New York session, or is it exclusive members only? Yeah, so I do a mentorship. I do live trading with them in the mornings or whatever. So for anyone who's not aware, I'm doing a 30-day mentorship. I'm taking on 10 students to take you on for 30 days and turn you into an absolute beast with my team. So if any of you guys are interested, I will be starting it on Sunday. Not everyone gets accepted, but if you're interested in applying, you can message me, or honestly, you guys can click this. Big Neff in the building. What's up, G? You guys can click on this. I'm sending it in the chat. I suggest everyone to watch this. It doesn't show it right now, but you put in your information or whatever. Learn more. Oh wow, I totally just, wow, I'm so stupid.
Learn how to make an extra 5K plus
but
using my proven strategy without any
if you guys are interested in reading this,
last year I've received a ton of DMs from
going
traders
through,
struggling to make consistent profits in the market.
you know what I'm
If
saying?
you're tired of inconsistent trading results and want to make an extra 5K plus a month, then keep watching.
Go give it a watch. Damn, longs look good, chat. Longs look good, chat. Could be looking into that, chat. Could be looking at some JR30 longs, by the way, for this. Let's see, chat. German 30 cash. Alright, guys, I might get in. Actually, give it a second. What the heck? This is the correct one, 19.5. It's a little off on mine, but. Alright, let's see, chat. Let's see what's gonna happen. I was $50 away from passing the funded account and I changed strats. That's what happens when you change strats, bro. You gotta stick to it. You gotta stick to it. I had a weed too hard. What's GU doing, chat? How do we do on? There goes gold. GA come back down to demand. USD CAD, need that pullback. Wait and see. Oh, there we go. There goes that push on JR, chat. God damn. Oh my gosh. And we're about to get the 15-minute close, guys. This should fly. Oh yeah, 15-minute close. See what happens. Beautiful. Push. Push, you motherfucker. Push, you motherfucker. Is anyone else in any positions? Are any of you guys in any trades? Doesn't even have to be this one or anything.
Working on a weekend like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once.
Watch this bitch fly. Come on now. There's one thing that I usually don't like about setups like this. I usually don't get me into them, which is usually I like it when you're getting into a trade and wherever the highs are, you're at least getting like a 1 to 2 in. You can see here that like a 1 to 1 is having to break the highs, which I usually don't like this, but if you really scroll through all the time frames, look how bullish price looks, and it's really just following the bullish bias of waiting for that push. So that's honestly the reason. Is JAR 30 and 40 the same? I'm pretty sure. Check your broker, but check like the numbers on the side and then also check the price action. Like if the charts look the same price action wise, then you're good. It's about to break through those ultimate highs too, guys, if any of you guys are like breakout traders or whatever. I'm in my bed. If this rejects here and goes down, it's kind of a good lesson of like just showing you guys, like just think about what I said about how, let's say I saw this liquidation down here, right? And then I got into the buys right here. That makes sense because then I have like a 1 to almost 3 risk to reward to even get to highs. But this is understanding the liquidation, kind of the push up. To me, it's kind of an indecision candle and the bullish kind of push through in the London Open. But you can see here that instantly is rejecting the highs, you know what I'm saying? Not even a 1 to 1 to highs. So that's one thing that I always would recommend for your guys' trades. And there she blows. What pair is it? This is JAR 30. Taking a small little scalp. Bro, I woke up feeling sick as fuck today. I don't know why. Pretty annoying. What is JAR 30? It's the German 30 index. I think of like US 30 for us, for like the US stocks. Same thing, but for like German. But for the Germans. I don't like the highs it's creating, but Rejecting hard. You guys got in. You can probably get out break even here. That's no bueno. Could just be a retest, but I don't like all the highs it created. Look at this. Fear rejections. Chat, if any of you guys have questions, definitely let me know. Ooh, GA is back in here. Anyone is interested in GA? It pulled back into discount. We're now into the golden zone. Hasn't hit demand yet, but I definitely would keep an eye on GA, guys. GA, everyone, I'm telling you right now. GBP AUD. Tomorrow we'd wake up and see GA flown, and you're like, oh damn, I wish I would have got in. GU looking good. Still like that. TRADERTV is gonna go up. I'm just rejecting. Just rejecting break even. GA, GU. Oh, EU. EU, nothing really. Just fine here. Oh, USD CAD. USD CAD goes long. Oh, but that'd make GU go short though, which is not what I want. Let's go look. Have we taken any trades yet? No, we're just looking at a bunch of really good potential setups. TRADERTV was, I would say, the one that I was looking to get into. We're at break even, so if anyone is interested, you could just get in and be like, oh, I got in over there. Same type of thing, you know, and be like, I'm just still holding. But that's about it. I'm actually about to get off, guys. I'm not feeling that good. Like I said, I woke up. Oh, that's not good. My wife and I were supposed to have a morning date today, but she insisted we instead stay in and watch Luca. Did Luca just bag my wife without even knowing? That is too good. I have to take a picture of that. Now that's what I call good humor. That's some good jokes. Well, shout out to her for wanting to learn. Did Luca just bag my wife without me knowing? That's hilarious. Hope you feel better. Boost the gut. I know, like, what can I have to boost the gut? I think I know what happened. Oh, come on, Jer. Gee, you should pump. Come on, Jer, you stupid bitch. Favorite kombucha lime. Okay. Okay. Not all together. Reginald, you're the man, bro. Appreciate you. Always showing love. Alright. Alright, Jer. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Work my posture. My shirt like that. Oh, there we go. Nice little pump on Jared. Did anyone get in when I was at break even, or did anyone get in original and kept holding? Let me know, let me know, let me know. Man, back to it. Three minutes to the 30-minute, bro. This next 30 minutes should fucking fly. No Kia. There ain't no way. Ain't no way, good. For everyone in the chat, here's just some advice for you guys. So for anyone in the chat who maybe has an account, maybe it's prop or maybe it's live, whatever it may be, I would really recommend you guys be practicing repetition. So tonight I went over USD CAD, that had a good potential position. JR30 here obviously was a good position. What else was there? GU didn't really move that much, but you know, if you're in that, that's a potential position, all this type of stuff. Only reason I'm bringing that up is that I challenge you guys to practice repetitions. Even if you're like, oh, I don't really want to risk this on my account right now, I'm just going to set this one out. At least go and practice. Open a demo, or even if you have a live account, enter a 0.01 and just practice repetitions. Practice getting in the trade, holding the trade when you getting out. One thing I learned when I used to do that, that helped me, was how, like, I don't know if any of you guys have gone into a 0.01 position, but you're way more likely to just let it run and not care and go for bigger risk to reward, because the lot size is so small that you want to see the bigger numbers. That you, and like, even if you're negative for a little bit, you're like, oh, I'm only down $2, whatever it is. So you let it keep going. Where once again, it's just repetitions that's gonna help in the long run, because if you can enter 0.01s on your live account and hold for a potential 5R, all that type of stuff, then you can do the same if you're trading with a $10,000 account risking, you know, whatever it is. So I really challenge you guys to really be practicing repetitions on trading, right? Whether it's, yeah, like I said, repetitions. Does that make sense? You get some W's in the chat. Hey, thanks for the W's, chat. Hey, keep those W's going, chat. I want everyone to spam W's. I'm gonna take a video. Take a video telling people to come freaking join in the rest of the week. Spam some more W's in the chat, guys. Come on, do the free live streams all I asked for is the W's. Oh, bro. Bro, I'm telling y'all, I'm sick or something. Alright, chat, I'm gonna get out of here. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for all the W's. Y'all are the best. I'll see you guys back on stream tomorrow. I just gotta hop off. My fucking stomach hurts hella bad. Oof. But I love y'all. TRADERTV still is good, guys. Even though it's consolidating, I think we're going long tonight. So if any of you guys are looking for a position, I do think that is still a good potential setup. So appreciate y'all, and I'll see you guys on stream tomorrow. Peace out, chat. Later.